In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money online via the Remitly app. First, open the Remitly app and sign into your account. If you're new to the app and haven't created an account yet, go ahead and open a Remitly account first by following the sign-up process on your screen. Make sure your account is set up properly before you continue, since that will help everything go more smoothly when you're ready to send money. Once you're inside the app, look at the top of the screen where you'll see the country selection area. Tap on that and choose your recipient's country. This step is very important because the available delivery options, payment methods, and transfer details can change depending on where you're sending the money. Taking a moment to confirm the correct country now can help avoid mistakes later. After selecting the destination country, tap Send Money. This will take you to the Transfer Setup screen where you can begin entering the details for your transaction. At this point, if the person you want to send money to is already saved in your contacts within the app, simply tap their contact information to continue. This is the quickest option because some of their details may already be filled in for you. If the recipient is not saved yet, tap New Contact instead. Then select their country as prompted and continue entering the required information. Next, choose the delivery method. Depending on the country you selected, you may see options such as bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile wallet, or other available methods. Choose the one that matches how your recipient wants to receive the money. After that, select your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer, so choose the option that works best for you from the ones shown in the app. When you're done, tap Continue. Then, enter your recipient's account details carefully and follow the prompts shown on your screen. The app will guide you through the remaining steps, including reviewing the transfer information before final confirmation. Take your time here and double-check everything, especially the recipient details and delivery method, to make sure the money goes to the right place without delays. Once everything looks correct, just continue through the prompts to complete your transfer. And that's how to send money online using the Remitly app.